Hello, my people. Yours truly, Skywalker here again, casting light from the shadows of the dark. Today, I felt a little bit guilty for always treating the Jamaican leaders so bad. Hello, I did a wonderful tribute to Usain Bolt, for he is a hero to me, and I have so much praises for so many people, and none of them are politicians. My bad on that. Well, just as I did that wonderful Usain Bolt tribute, I shall do a tribute. I shall do a tribute for all Jamaican prime ministers, past and present, so that they will know that we think about them as much. They deserve to reap what they sow, and I am here to help with this. So here goes the tribute. Dear Prime Minister, when you came, we heard your enticing oration, the most mellifluous voice, sweet charm, and elocution. You pronounce fine words in noble aristocratic vein that now it is hard to believe you are causing us such pain. You made us leave in your hands every necessary act for progress. And now, after all this time, only you have gained success. We are stunned to see you stumped, shocked to hear you stutter, peeved to think you doodle around when we really need our answer. The captain has gone drunk and the ship takes a stagger. How must we keep afloat upon the doggone water? You were the impostor, a one to be buffoon. The substance that fills your head is what fills an air balloon. And there you have it. We think that much of our politicians. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.